A complete solar power monitoring dashboard built with LightningChart Python's container component. The grid layout holds multiple charts, each with independent sizing. Horizontal and vertical scrolling provides access to the entire workspace. The feature importance charts display machine learning model variables. Clicking legend entries toggles bar visibility, a quick way to isolate and compare specific features across different models. 6 predictions versus actual charts with synchronized x-axis intervals. Zooming into one automatically adjusts all others, maintaining consistent scale across the comparison. Individual charts can also be zoomed independently when detailed analysis of a specific correlation is needed. The hourly power generation analysis DataGrid scrolls through time series statistics. Both vertical and horizontal navigation work with large datasets. A 3D point series visualizes daily yield against temperature variables. Full rotation and zoom controls, with GPU-accelerated rendering handling thousands of points smoothly. The surface chart maps AC power across irradiation and module temperature. Color gradients reveal performance patterns while rotation and zoom provide different perspectives on the data. DataGrid cells support multiple content types, text, numbers, and embedded spark charts for inline visualizations. The bottom row displays plant KPIs, model performance metrics, and feature statistics with scrolling across both axes. LightningChart Python handles everything from real-time streams to large-scale datasets with 2D and 3D rendering. Available at lightningchart.com.